Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm going to work on the cover of my journal. And I've been working on my journal. I decorated the spine. I added some lace and some rose lace. I did some more dangles. I added just a little short one, and then I added another one with a charm. I think they turned out cute. And I've added lace and pockets and some tags, but I didn't realize just how many, I forgot how many pockets it takes. So I've got a few in here, and I love her. That's just so pretty. I did this tag. It was I learned to do it from Gail Augustinelli, but I've realized that I need a lot more tags. I've got an ephemera envelope. I need to put some paper or something in there. And I just did a belly band I did from a snippet roll I had made a while back. And I've just added some of the ephemera that I've already have gotten. One of the little flip books I showed. Got another little tip spot there, and I did a little closure here. And some of the pockets I may decorate that a little more. I haven't made up my mind. And there's a few pockets that I've got stuck in here that I haven't added in because I want to stencil my page. So I've got one up, but I need some more tags. Added that pocket. I need a lot more pockets, that's for sure. And a lot more stuff. I've got this one, I added that to this little envelope I've got. So I've got stuff stuffed in there, and then I've got a little journaling spot there. And I've got a little place you could journal there, and that's stuck down. This one I want to put, but I think I want to stencil the background paper with distress ink so I could still write on it, but it wouldn't be so plain. Got these. Just stuff that I've already had made. This one came from Tina Shabbydabbydoodah. I love her stuff. And this one. But today I want to focus on my cover, and I've got my stuff that I want to put on there. I had just a little bit lace left from the spine, and it fit perfectly across the top. So I also want to add my closure. So what I was thinking is, I love her. I love her spirit. So I thought about putting her there. I thought about I love these roses, and it goes so well with what I've got. So I thought about putting those in the background. I'm going to add my little card, and I've got one that says life, I believe, because that's basically. And then I love this little dog, so I thought I'd put him on the bottom. So that's the plan, if I can get it back this way. So I hope y'all are all doing good. I've had more fun with this journal. Forget how much I enjoy making them and decorating and writing in them. So I'm excited to have one that I can start writing again. I do a devotional journal, but it's just a notebook where when I'm doing my devotions, I write. But this one will be fun for just like things that's going on every day. Let's hope I get that in the right spot. It has rained so much here. Our weather's been so strange. We were up in close to the 80s here in Mississippi the other day, and then we're going to be back down in the 20s. Our weather has definitely been very eclectic. Always has been. Okay. Good thing it dries clear. Fabric tack, it leaves a little bit of a where you can see it, so I decided to go with try the art glitter glue. Probably should have glued onto the book instead. All right, I'm gonna get my little girl. I think I'm going to just kind of distress a little bit around the edges. I've already distressed that, but I forgot to distress this. I think everybody has had strange weather. I'm just going to let you watch me finish gluing this down, and we'll talk to you in a minute. Hopefully that'll hold. I had to come back with fabric tack. For some reason her feet didn't want to stay down, and the art glitter glue just wasn't strong enough to hold that. So now I've got these ribbons that I want to use to tie in, so I have a closure. So I want to make sure I'm not hitting a pocket. Make sure that I'm gonna be able to do it on both sides, which I believe I am. So I'm just gonna go for it. I'm going to add an eyelet. There we go. Now let's get the other side. was tough. And now I'm just gonna feed those through. Now I've got my closure. I think that's pretty. I think the color goes well with the journal. And I want to add my ball pin, my dangle from this. And I think I'm going to hoping it'll hang on to the rose. There we go. And now I've got my dangle. Isn't that pretty? I love it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel to grow. Please comment. That helps my channel to grow. Ring the bell so that you can be notified, subscribe, all of that good stuff. And I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend. And until next time, bye y'all.